module's fixing screws with a screwdriver. After loosening the screws, pull the module apart. Our module can install 6 filter sets to image multiple stained specimens at the same time. Then follow the video to place the required excitation cubes into the module. Install SICTable fluorescence module on BX53. The turntable to switch the corresponding excitation cubes and fluorescence channels. Its standardized interface can match LED fluorescent light source such as MSHOT individual channels LED light source MG120.